Taskade is a popular productivity and time management tool, but is it the right choice for you? Here are 12 key things you need to know before buying, including how it stacks up against competitors and an even better alternative you can try for free. First, Taskade's interface is clean and user-friendly. It's designed for simplicity, so you can quickly create tasks, manage projects, and collaborate with your team. Compared to platforms like Asana or Notion, Taskade emphasizes speed over complexity, which can be great for smaller teams or individuals. Next, Taskade offers real-time collaboration. You and your team can work on tasks simultaneously, chat, and even have video calls all within the app. While this is convenient, tools like ClickUp and Slack may provide more advanced communication features if that's a priority for you. The third thing to note is Taskade's templates. With dozens of pre-made templates for project management, brainstorming, and goal setting, you'll save time starting new workflows. However, these templates are less customizable than what you'd find in Notion or Trello. Fourth, Taskade's pricing is affordable, starting with a free plan and premium plans at a lower cost than many competitors. However, the free plan has limited storage and features, so if you're scaling a business, you might outgrow it quickly. Another thing to consider is its integration options. Taskade supports integrations like Google Drive and Zoom, but it doesn't have the deep ecosystem of tools that apps like ClickUp or Monday.com offer. Next, mobile and desktop apps are a strength of Taskade. They're well designed and offer offline functionality, making it easy to stay productive anywhere. But if you need more robust offline features, apps like Evernote or Todoist might be better. Seventh, Taskade's focus on simplicity can be both a strength and a limitation. For basic to mid-level task management, it's excellent, but power users may find advanced tools like Notion or Airtable more versatile. Let's talk about automation. Taskade has limited automation features compared to competitors like Zapier-powered ClickUp or Monday.com, which can handle more complex workflows and integrations. Ninth, Taskade emphasizes team alignment. Its mind map and list views make it easy to visualize tasks and see how everything connects. While this is unique, apps like Miro or Trello might provide better visual collaboration tools. The next thing to note is security. Taskade uses industry-standard encryption and is generally secure, but it doesn't offer the advanced compliance options that enterprises might need, such as what you'd find with Asana or Monday.com. 11th, customization is limited. While you can adjust some task views, Taskade doesn't match the flexibility of Notion's databases or Airtable's tables, which are far more adaptable to different workflows. Finally, support and updates. Taskade has responsive support and regular updates, but it's a smaller player compared to giants like ClickUp or Trello, meaning fewer third-party resources and community support. Overall, Taskade is a solid choice if you want a straightforward, affordable productivity tool with built-in collaboration. But if you're looking for more features, flexibility, or advanced tools, we recommend checking out our top-rated solution. It's free to try and might be exactly what you're looking for.